Hello children, welcome to the SS class. In our previous chapter, we have learned about the first physical division of India, that is Northern Mountains. In this class, we are going to learn about the second physical division of India, that is Northern Plains. We have already studied in this chapter detail in online class. This is the short summary of the chapter. The Northern Plains. The Northern Plains lie to the south of the Northern Himalayas. They lie between the Himalayas and the Southern Plateau. They stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Many big rivers like Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra flow through the Northern Plains. These rivers bring with them fine soil called silt or alluvium. These plains covers almost the whole of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Alluvial soil makes the plains very fertile. It's good for growing a large variety of crops. That is why this region is often called food bowl of India. Basins. Children, do you know what is basin? A basin is an area watered by a river and its tributaries. The rivers of the Northern Plains divide the plains into three river basins. First one Satluj Basin, second one Ganga Basin and third one Brahmaputra Basin. First one, the Satluj Basin. The Satluj Basin is the westernmost part of the Northern Plains. The states of Punjab and Haryana lie in this region. Satluj and its main tributary, the Beas, flow towards the southwest and join the Indus in Pakistan. The climate of Satluj Basin is extreme. The entire land of Satluj Basin is very fertile. It is good for crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton. The Bakra Dam has been built on the Satluj River. Second one, the Ganga Basin. The Ganga Basin is in the middle of the Northern Plains. It covers the largest part of the Northern Plains. The states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal lie in this basin. Starting from Gangotri Glacier, the Ganga enters plains near Rishikesh and is joined by tributaries like Mandakini and Alagananda. As it flows through the plains, it is joined by Gandak, Gangra, Gomdi, Kosi in the north and Chambal, Betwa, Son in the south. The river Yamuna joins Ganga near Allahabad. Their meeting place is known as Sangam. After flowing through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the Ganga enters into West Bengal and splits into Hooghly and Patma. Main crops grown in this region are wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane, etc. By the time the Ganga breaks into many distributaries which look like a triangle, such an area is called delta. The Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra Basin forms the easternmost part of the northern plains. It is a narrow basin surrounded by hills and mountains. The states of Assam and a small part of West Bengal lie in this basin. Brahmaputra starts from glacier near Manasarovar Lake in Tibet. It is known as Sengpo in Tibet. After flowing through Assam and West Bengal, it enters Bangladesh and joins Patma. The main crops of this region are rice, tea and jute. The Brahmaputra Basin gets heavy rainfall. Heavy flood occurs rainy season. Children, I hope you already understood the lesson well. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.